Welcome to another Kartra funnel review by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. At the end of this video, you will discover the Lion's funnel score and how effective the funnel is. Is it even worth trying or buying? Is it better or worse than some of the other funnels? Can it be improved, or is it a complete waste of time? We will provide you with the verdict. Is the funnel poor, average, good, very good, or outstanding quality? And we'll summarize the value by listing the pros and cons. Let's get started. Kartra funnel review number 2, Vsl Campaign. So what is a Vsl campaign? A VSL or Video Sales Letter Campaign is one of three Kartra funnels that is a campaign to help earn sales for products or services listed at a higher price point, and it's intended for businesses that already have a list. And it comes with the following assets: 6 tags, 6 products, 5 pages, 3 videos, and 1 sequence. Here is the chart, which we'll review in more depth in Kartra. Ready to go? Let's dive in. Importing the campaign. On the left-hand side, selecting campaigns, available campaigns, and deploying Vsl campaign. You can skip or watch the intro video, and we have the asset browser available to us. I'm going to use it to go to tags and close it for now, so we can take a look at the tags. Okay, so everything is correctly set up in here. We have the tag assigned on purchase, bought one-time offer, or bought downsell, or products 2, 3, and 4. So this looks correct. Back to assets. Videos. We have 3 videos. We actually have 4 videos because the campaign itself comes with a video as well. So we have examples of VSL videos. I suspect these are just placeholders. Yeah, this is just a placeholder, so you can replace these with your own. 1 sequence. We'll review this in more depth when we actually start testing that. We have 6 products. Now that's interesting. I want to point something out to you, that when you import the campaign, it appears incomplete. Why? Because it needs to be connected to either PayPal or Stripe. And I will connect that in a moment. Let's continue the review of the assets. The last one, I suspect, is pages. That's right. Let's go to pages. And I'll review pages in the context of the funnel itself. So let's bring the funnel chart and review this campaign. The campaign starts with a page called Sales Video. And in here, we'll make them an invitation to purchase a one-time offer. The one OTO stands for one-time offer. If they buy, they will be invited to buy additional products from the Profit Max page. And if they don't, they will be sent to a downsell page. Now, if they actually purchase something cheaper, they will be sent to the Profit Max page to make them offer to purchase additional products. Then we have a thank you page, and they will be enrolled into post-purchased sequence. Let's see how it actually works in practice. So I have opened all 5 pages now in sequence. They are not displayed in the correct sequence here, but that's all right. They do have the numbers. So this is my prefix, but then the pages are numbered 1, 2, goes back here, 3, 4, and 5. I have them opened here in the correct sequence. So here's the landing page. one-time offer should be in here. Here is the one-time offer. Then we have the we also offer page, the downsell page, and a thank you page. On a first look, pages are very poorly designed graphically. Look at the colors. This looks really obsolete. I don't think I would use these as a template, but let's see if the flow makes sense here as well. So, by the way, langing is a spelling error. We'll have to deduct some points for that. This should be landing, not langing. So what happens on a langing page? Well, we have an issue here because, well, it's supposed to be the sales VSL, so it does have the video. You can play it. There's nothing there. Obviously, you have to replace it with your own, but it goes straight to a product sale, which is not what the chart was showing. Let's take a look at the chart. So the chart should have a sales video and the link to the one-time offer page, and then downsell or profit maximizer. Yet the page is not really displaying any information about the product, meaning the cost. It just wants to collect the billing information and submit a payment. I'm not sure if this is going to work. Well, there it is. One-time offer is in here. It does have some buttons here to upgrade or not interested, which matches the chart. But take a look at this. The I'm not interested. I'm going to open that in a new tab, which is the same as the VSL downsell. Looks exactly the same and has the same dollar value. So, and the upgrade is to $9.99. That's fine. But what is going to happen if I click on an upgrade? Well, it's taking me straight to the payment. Good. I can certainly pay for that. And it will send me to the next page, which is we also offer. They call them the profit maximizer. I like that because you have additional products. So let's take a peek at the chart to understand the flow. So we do have one-time offer. When somebody buys the product, they are now looking at the profit maximizer, meaning upsell, additional products. However, in this case, the downsell is same as the one-time offer. Maybe it's semantics, but I think that the pages should have been designed with a better content and maybe even better pricing points to understand that, hey, if I bought something here for $49, the downsell shouldn't be $99. Really, the downsell could be $9.99 or something like that. There's one more page we need to look at, which is the thank you page, and then we'll jump into the sequences. So from Profit Maximizer, let's see if these buttons are active. They are correct, but even the product values, they set to $1, even though I just clicked on something called something marked as $24.99. It's a bit sloppy in my opinion. And the thank you page, we look at that. I'm cringing because it's not the most fortunate color selection and little snowflakes up on the top and a pencil. I would have to rebuild this page from scratch if I were to use it. Taking a deep breath and jumping back to the sequences. Let's see if the sequences are set up correctly. So, my communications, sequences. There's a sequence. Let's take a look at that. All right, so we have a number of emails that start with likely the purchase at any price point. Okay, so whoever purchases anything from this funnel is added to the sequence. And we have one email that's sent immediately. after the purchase, then 1 day, and then immediately after. That's not day 3. That's right away after the day 2. So we have another error here. The unsubscribe and complete. That's fine. Let's see if the email copy is worth our effort. And the setup. Yep, all is looking good here. All right, so this is likely going to be a template. Okay, so nothing in here, fully functional. Certainly you can get some inspiration from it. I'm not sure if this immediately after makes sense. That is not. Oh, okay, so we do have some conditions here. Good. Does not have tag and does not have tag, or does not have tag. So that's good. That's one way of managing email. So you don't email somebody that didn't purchase the product. There are better ways of managing that, but that's perfectly acceptable as well. And let's see if the copy is the same. Nothing. Cross promotion. Did they include the correct link here? Let's see. That wouldn't be really on them, because sometimes on the import, Kartra does. Yeah, it works fine. So it actually is better than I thought for the upsell. So you can get some inspiration from it. Not sure if I would use the caps, but that's another topic. All right, so let's exit from here. And this concludes the under the hood look at this campaign. I'm going to tabulate the points and give you the score in a moment. The final score, 7.6 on a Lion final score, and it's one of the lowest numbers that I've seen. The basic score, there's no effort multiplier, quality multiplier, no functionality score, originality, documentation, all of that is substandard, and personally, I wouldn't use this funnel. It requires serious rework. So what's the verdict? Very poor. However, there are some pros. It's free. It's a good idea. It's a decent email copy. It's simple, and it could probably be improved by an experienced designer. But if you're new to Kartra, it would probably put you in a tailspin. The cons: page design. It is too simple, not inspiring. The pricing is wrong. The downsell is higher than an upsell. The logic of it is flawed, because it's the exact same pricing on every single page, and then there are some spelling issues that are inexcusable. However, I make spelling mistakes as well. If you find this content useful, click on like and subscribe. It helps our channel, and you'll get notified when we post the new content. So thank you in advance. Visit our page for more information and to join our free membership with Kartra tips and tricks and free downloadable funnel templates. Do you want to be part of the community and have the access to live Q&As? Join us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Next video is coming soon.